Today I'm going to be breaking down a cover I did for SUMMRS. This is my Tale of the Raven cover I did from a while ago. This is an old ass recording, but decided to bring it back. As you guys can see, it's a bit dark, so that's the reason. Just want to get a little vid out. But yeah, let's get straight into it. So yeah, this cover is pretty basic. I restarted off by just coloring it using the AI feature of the neural filters, and yeah, just resizing it. Kind of like, I didn't really have to do that because I ended up going back to black and white. But you know, I was just messing around with the adjustments, gradients. I kind of like to use lighter colors now, like kind of more faded out colors, and I just feel like that shit is nice sometimes. But you guys will see throughout this, like, I just go back to the black and white theme because that just looks, you know, the best. But I had an idea for this. I wanted to go for some sort of, you know, clean but like messy kind of look. Yeah, you guys are gonna see it all unfold in a minute, but I did go ahead and just test different types of shit out, like the CRT and all. But then I found this effect where his eye is like there, like in the corner, and I was like, yo, let me have it right there. Let me basically cover around that. And yeah, that's what I did. Put the black and white on it, shit like that. All this is literally by eye and by chance. Like, everything I do is basically just luck, I'm not gonna lie. But and then I go ahead and I use the brush tool just to get a little kind of text going. I like to do this, you know, if you guys know, you know, how to use the brush tool with your mouse and make nice text out of it. You know, it can look really nice. Like, you guys can see here, it came out pretty good. Actually, this is probably the best text I've ever done in my life, I'm not gonna lie. Kind of spazzing that shit. But yeah, just messing around with the text effects, all the different shit I could do. I tried to go for like an ink effect, like I'm not really sure what it's called, but I couldn't really get it. I thought it was in the whatever this is, the filter page, but it wasn't, so I completely forgot how to actually get it. But I ended up just like going crazy with it. You guys are gonna see the end result of that. But yeah, just again, just keep going, keep like kind of messing around with it, fucking around with it, type shit, just messing around with the text, trying to see what looks nice. And yeah, like the whole thing's pretty simple. Like, it's not something crazy. I put the little raven in there for obvious reasons. Yeah, this is just a pretty simple cover. I'm just gonna let this shit rock out. It's not really much more to explain or, you know, to do. If you guys want more videos, like, I'm not sure if I should make more videos like this. I don't know if you guys want the speed up videos or if you guys want a full detailed breakdown. Let me know. I need to know, please, because I'll definitely do full detailed breakdowns or cook-ups or whatever you guys want me to do or make. I'm for sure gonna be doing that. So let me know. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna let that shit rock out. If you guys do want to get a pack, I have all-in-one preset pack, everything on my site, $40 right now. If you guys do want to go ahead and cop it, literally everything on my site, mixed media pack, adjustment pack, preset, every single preset pack I have, boom, get that motherfucker. But yeah, I appreciate everybody who's been copping and subscribing and, you know, supporting the whole thing, man. That shit is so crazy to me. I didn't think, you know, I'd have so many people just like fucking supporting. Like, it's crazy as fuck to me. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Purchase